Hi everyone. So last week I showed you how to make these really cute little geodes, and I've just made these with leftover resin from other projects. Since I've been making them, my friends and family have been asking me if they would work in their fish tanks, and I think that's a great idea. So I went to the store today and I got some goldfish, and I cleaned up my old goldfish bowls. And I'm just going to put them together and see what they look like. Before I went to the store, I cleaned my bowls very thoroughly, and I put some water in them to start dechlorinating because I'm on city water and there's chlorine in my water. So I wanted to give that a chance to dissipate out of the water. We have a clear crystal and a pink crystal. And then over here we have the purple one that looks like amethyst. This one has the clear geode crystal. It looks really cool in there with the black background. I like that one. I like them all. I don't know which one's my favorite. I think this one's my favorite, but it needs more decoration. Maybe a treasure chest or something in there. I don't know. Let me know which one's your favorite. Okay, so there's number one. And there's number two. And there's number three. And we have many other color crystals or geodes, whatever you want to call them. You can do them in any color you want. I love the black ones. I've done most of them with the foil paper, some of them with just glitter, but I like the foil paper the best. That's it for today. We'll check back in on these guys in a few days and see how they're doing. And I'll see y'all then. Bye-bye. Hi again. So we are back to check on the fish. It's been about 4 days, and I had to take the plants out of the vases because it was keeping them from getting to the top. But as you can see, the fish are doing very well. They seem to be very healthy. Their fins are up. So the crystals do not seem to be toxic to these goldfish at all. I can't promise anything about your fish or your tanks, but my fish are doing very well. And these and many of the other projects that I make on my videos will be available on my website, cedarhollowcreations.com. This has been a fun experiment, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye for now.